From the first conversation with a client, our Caliper consultants try to gather as much information about a company as possible in order to get to the heart of organizational issues. By doing so, we're able to come up with the right solutions to fit each client's needs. Listen to the beginnings of a client-consultant relationship.
Now, how did you first hear about us?
I learned about Caliper from someone at another company that uses your service. It sounded very intriguing, so we decided to check it out.
Okay. And I see here that your company is small to mid-sized.
That's correct. We've been in business for 40 years. Our founder is still the president and CEO, and his daughter recently joined the company, so we're looking to be privately held for the long haul. We're a relatively small company competing with one of the largest manufacturing companies in the world.
And would you say your company is very structured, or is it pretty flexible when it comes to parameters and procedures?
We're in transition now. We started out being very informal with our policies and procedures, and as we grew, policies and procedures were put in place to accommodate that growth.
And has some of that growth been difficult?
Oh, yes. There are certain things that are easier to do when you're a small company, but as you grow and have to instill that structure, it becomes a challenge. Especially with employees who have been around for a while. They tend to resist that change. But we currently have a combination of employees who understand those policies, and those who've been around for a while, they tend to resist that change. And those people who have been with us tend to push back and remind us of the company's history and core values of support and family. But in the same respect, we can't ignore our business needs. We need a way to merge the old guard and the new people, so we can be true to our company's values, but still stay competitive.
I'm glad you brought that up, because that's something we can definitely help you with. We can partner with you to help you in a lot of different ways, from hiring to team building and organizational issues such as what you just talked about. Why don't we talk about some of your more pressing business challenges this afternoon?
That would be great. I actually have a few people in mind that should join the conversation.
That sounds perfect.